What is the recent breakthrough that could restore aging joints and help treat osteoarthritis? New research could change how millions manage joint pain and mobility loss, making this a must-watch update for anyone worried about arthritis. Earlier this year, researchers at the University of Colorado Boulder made headlines with a breakthrough slow-release drug delivery system. This system is designed to be injected directly into damaged joints, releasing medication over time to promote healing. This innovative approach could revolutionize how osteoarthritis and joint degeneration are treated by providing targeted therapy that reduces side effects and improves effectiveness. Scientists at Stanford University identified a key enzyme involved in the breakdown of joint cartilage with age. In mouse studies, blocking this enzyme allowed worn cartilage to thicken again, suggesting a new biological target for osteoarthritis treatment. This discovery opens the door for drugs that not only relieve pain, but actually restore joint tissue. Further research has pinpointed the enzyme 15-PGDH as a major factor in the aging of joints. Scientists believe inhibiting this enzyme could reverse joint degradation. This insight is critical because it identifies a precise molecular target for developing therapies that not only halt but potentially reverse osteoarthritis progression. Combining the University of Colorado's drug delivery system with the enzyme-blocking discoveries from Stanford and other labs could soon lead to treatments that restore joint health rather than just mask symptoms. This integrated approach promises more effective, longer-lasting relief for the millions suffering from osteoarthritis worldwide. What this means for you is huge. If you or a loved one struggles with joint pain or osteoarthritis, these breakthroughs could soon provide treatments that repair damage instead of just easing pain. Stay informed and subscribe for updates as this science moves toward real-world cures.